The theme I chose is the state history of Indiana. I chose this theme because I'm an aspiring fourth grade teacher, and this is one of the standards for fourth graders in the social studies department is to know the state history of Indiana. The exact standard out of the off the standards website is that students trace the historical periods, places, people, events, and movements that have led to the development of Indiana as a state. In my eyes, there's sort of three different areas of history that can be learned about for the state of Indiana. The first is the early history of Indiana, which would include the Miami Indian tribe, the arrival of the Europeans, and George Rogers Clark securing the Ohio River Valley for the Americans at Vincennes during the American Revolution. The next sort of area would be just Indiana becoming a state, and this would include different Native American conflicts, the War of 1812, and the Indiana Territory eventually becoming a state in 1816 through the Constitutional Convention. And then the last part would just be the settlement of Indiana after Indiana has become a state, how the state capital of Indianapolis was developed, and how different modes of transportation came to be about in Indiana. And again, I just think this is important for students because it's important for them to know the history of where they live now and the history of where they may live for the rest of their lives.